Next up in Tech Buzz, we're checking out the stand grip for MagSafe from CLCKR or Clicker, which allows you to have this nice accessory on your phone, to have your phone both vertically and horizontally without having to remove anything, and this is what it's going to look like here. So next up we're going to have a look at it and show you what it's all about, and we'll see you after this short little break. Hello, and here we go. This is the stand grip size from Clicker, and you've got a magnet on the back here which allows you to click onto your device with or without a case if it's a MagSafe compatible. So you can have your device in portrait and landscape, Anti-Microbial Protection, and it just clicks onto the back of your phone and it's MagSafe compatible. And of course it works with the Magsafe Charger as well, so that's all you need to know there. So this is it. If you're familiar with Clicker, you would have seen their stuff on site many a time. This pops down and allows you to put your device in two separate ways, like that, or this side here, whichever suits you. You can see the outline here, and it'll just simply pop on the back like so. So you can have your device this way, or this way, or this way, and again you can use it to hold your phone here, so it gives you extra security as well. And that's basically all there is to it. It's a nice, simple, effective tool and allows you to consume media. You can also use it without the case if you want. It's up to yourself, everyone is different, and it'll snap into place there like so, and that's fine. Now when you do have it on that there, it will charge your device, so I'm just going to show you that there, and it's just about getting it placed right. As you can see there, we're fully charged, and that's important if you're into the wireless charging, and that's how this basically works. So that's all there is really to it, what it's all about and what to expect, and that's really it. It's a nice, simple, effective product like all Clicker's products are. This pops out, clicks into place, and the job is done. So you can either use with or without a case, it's up to yourself. Everyone has a different approach, but once your case has this guy on here, you are sorted and ready to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.